Hello and welcome to our Xero presentation today on setting up bank rules. Okay, we'll get started straight away, and on our dashboard in our demo company file here, we're going to click on the business bank account, reconcile 19 items so we can set up our bank rules. As you can see with the first transaction, there is an MCO cleaning services. Further down on the 3rd of April, you can see there's another MCO cleaning. So we have regular transactions or spend money transactions that come out of the file that we want to set up bank rules for. First of all, we click on the options button and we click create bank rule. Now, as you can see here, we have a little bit of an issue in regards to the reference number. The other description that we saw on the other bank rule was only MCO cleaning. So to make the bank rule work, we need to change the equals to contains in the first step. We also need to get rid of the reference number and also the services, because regularly MCO cleaning is coming through, but not the services and not the reference, which could change with each transaction. So we want to set our bank rule up on just the MCO cleaning. That is what it will use to search for the bank rule, and that's how it will apply it. We'll come down into the set the contact field. We go MCO, and as you can see, there's a contact in the system already for MCO cleaning services. So we select that one. We skip the 3, automatically allocate fixed items. That's for if you wanted to separate them, for maybe you had $100 going for one item and another $50, for example, going to another. You would use that. In this case, we want to go straight to number 4 with the remainder of what we want to allocate. So basically, it will allocate 100% of whatever amount comes through on the spend money transaction. In this case, we're going to go cleaning, building. If we can spell right. Okay, so we're going to allocate it to the cleaning expense account. The tax rate is GST on expenses. They are registered for GST through their ABN, which you would check. It's 100% cleaning expenses. There's no private portion in there. If there was, you could separate it out with the 100% and change it to 80, for example, and then create a new line item and go private expenditure and code it to drawing. So 80% would be business and 20% would be personal. Okay, down where set the reference field, you can leave that as is, or you could also use set the reference as the payee line from the payee, because that's where the description comes through on the bank feed. We're going to target the business bank account at this point in time, and we're going to give the rule a title, which is MCO cleaning services. And we will hit save. And as you can see, we're now picking up the MCO cleaning services on the 1st of April transaction as well as the 3rd of April transaction. If we had have left the services in the reference field, this transaction on the 3rd of April would not have been allocated to the rule. And from there, it's as simple as going OK, and that reconciles the item, and the next one down, and we press OK again. And that's it for today. Thank you for joining, and we'll see you next time.